In the short term, markets are driven by headlines which typically are non-fundamental in nature. However, over the long term, PE ratio, re-rating or the rating normalizes, and corporate earnings growth become the major driver of returns. Global supply chain pressures are easing. Lower commodity costs are likely to lead to lower input costs for manufacturers, thereby improving margins. Nifty 50 APS is expected to more than double from 465 in FY20 to 997 by FY2040. As per the temperature gauge index, valuations are in fair valuation zone. For incremental investments, we continue to suggest 50% deployment immediately and 50% to be staggered over 3 to 6 months, while being able to accelerate deployment during sharp corrections. We continue to maintain bias towards multi-cap and select mid and small cap strategies across MF, PMS, AIF platforms. The Monetary Policy Committee unanimously voted to increase the repo rate by 50 bps to 5.40% and maintain the guidance on the focus of withdrawal of accommodation. The yield curve continues to flatten on account of monetary policy tightening, normalization of liquidity and global factors. The short end of the yield curve has inched up, relatively more than the longer end of the curve. The sweet spot lies between 3 to 5 years of maturity. The market expects RBI to hike policy rates to 5.75% to 5.90% by the end of FY23 in a calibrated manner before it pauses. Hence, for fixed income portfolios, we suggest core allocation to 4 to 5 year maturity segment through high credit quality, target maturity debt funds, which invest in a combination of GSEC, state development loans or SDL, and AAA rated instruments. Tactical allocation to select high yield strategies, MLDs, REITs, inverts can help enhance the yield on fixed income portfolios. Different asset classes exhibit low correlation to each other in the long term. Delphi ASAP is an all-weather strategy that benefits from asset class diversification and yearly rebalancing. It is positioned as a superior alternative to fixed income, with annualized volatility less than one-third that of Indian equities.